Happy Pi Day, everyone. It's that day again, the 14th of March. If you're British, then you might be wondering why the 14th of March is special, because it's 14 line 3 for the date. But if you're American and some other countries who have month, day, year, then you'll find that it's third month, 14th day, so we've got 3.14, which is the first 3 digits of pi. Now, pi is an irrational number, meaning that it is both infinite in length and it's not recurring. It doesn't have any pattern that we know of. It's highly unlikely that it does. We've calculated pi up to 2 trillion digits, and there's no repeating pattern within those 2 trillion digits. Also, pi is transcendental, which means that it cannot be, it's not algebraic, meaning that it cannot be calculated by a formula or a or a mathematical expression. So it's very hard to calculate, although it can be approximated by 22/7. Which some people interestingly celebrate Pi Day on the 22nd day of the 7th month, but most people celebrate it on 14th of March today. Interestingly, pi is infinite in length and it's random, and there is a very, very large probability. So large, in fact, that it's thought that every single string of numbers imaginable you can find in pi somewhere along the string. Although that's not actually 100% certain that that will occur, but the probability is extremely high. So, for example, your birthday might occur in somewhere in pi. It might be after the trillionth or 2 trillionth decimal place, but it will be in there somewhere. Pi first originated in the Babylonian society, where pi was a very useful tool as a ratio between the circumference and the diameter of a circle. Pi is also believed to have been used by the Egyptians, although there's a lot of skepticism around this point. But interestingly, if you take the length of one of the sides of the Egyptian pyramids and you times that by 2 and you divide it by the height of the pyramid, you will get approximately pi. Now, whether this is a coincidence or not is still open to heated debate, but just an interesting fact. The first real attempt to calculate pi to a number of significant figures was done by Archimedes, and he used the polygon method, which is where if you place in a circle a polygon, so the points touch the inside of the circle, and on the outside of the circle you place another polygon, so the middle of each side of the polygon touches the surface of the circle, you get an upper and lower bounds for the value of pi. Now, where those two upper and lower bounds coincide, they have the same value for a certain number of decimal places. You can be pretty darn certain that is the value of pi. Now, Archimedes did this using a 96-sided polygon, and without calculators that must have been a pretty fun task to do. Here's a fun fact about pi. If you write pi down on a piece of paper, 3.14, and you hold it up in a mirror, it will actually look like P-I-E. Fun thing for you to go away and try. But I'll leave you on a really cool note. Next year, 3rd of March 2015, will be an extra special Pi Day, because it will coincide not only with the day and the month, but the year. So we've got 3rd of the 14th, 15, 3.1415, plus the hour, 9, 3.14159, and then you've got to the minute and to the second, which is the 26th minute and 53rd second. So all in all, Pi Day next year, we will have 3.141592653. Now that's going to be one hell of a Pi Day. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to keep updated when I release more videos, and if you've liked it, hit the like button down below, and happy Pi Day. And yes, that does mean it's an excuse to eat pie as well.